unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back with another unboxing for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. If you're not familiar, Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription. There are 3 different bags available. The Glam Bag is $13. You get 5 sample size or deluxe sample size and some full-size products inside, depending on what the item is. Now, this is the Glam Bag Plus, which runs for $28. You get 5 full-size products inside. The Glam Bag X is $55. You get that 4 times a year, so every quarter. And that one you get 7 to 8 full-size products inside. So let's go ahead and see what I have for the Glam Bag Plus. When you open it, now I did get some add-ons. So I do have an add-on here. We will check that out in a minute. And whatever doesn't fit in their little bag, they'll put inside the mailer. Oh, so this month obviously is You Got This. You got this. Nice. These bags feel like cotton sheets, and these are great for organizing things in your suitcases, organizing your electronics. Ooh, and that's what it looks like when you open it. Now let's check out my add-on, shall we? They have add-on sales all the time, and they just put it right in with your bag, and they come at rock bottom prices. I got a little bag. It's a little crocodile bag. It is a vegan bag, so it's plastic. It has the little Ipsy pull on it. It has a strap, very cute, so you can wear it as a crossbody. It has no pockets inside. But this would be a very easy bag to just grab your phone, your wallet, and off you go. And that's one of the reasons I got it. I wanted a plain black bag for dining, going out and dining. So that's what I got. I believe I got this for like $5. So their add-on sales are really good. Okay, now inside the bag. Is there a card? This is for September 2022. You got this. And they don't have it listed. Let's see if I can pull it up with my phone. Okay, so I do have my account pulled up on my phone so that we can go over the retail prices as well. So the first thing I am pulling out is a Cupid Cheek Duo. This is by, oh, this is Natasha Denona. Okay. We have a cream blush and we have a highlighter. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box so we can check it out. Ooh, look how pretty. Natasha Denona. Oh, yeah. We have kind of like a gold highlighter and a darker blush. So fall in love with this crush-worthy cream blush in a vibrant chili pepper red shade, paired with a luminous highlighter that work together so perfectly you'd think they were brought together by Cupid's arrow. This values for $42. Nice. So this looks like this is one of my choices. This is by One Kind. This is Clean Slate Gentle Cleansing Cream, and it has tropical fruit enzymes. It's for all skin types. It's makeup erasing, and it is brightening. So I did choose this. This retails for $28. The Ultra Gentle Cream formula works its cleaning magic without stripping your skin or depleting it from moisture levels, making it safe for all skin types. see, is it sealed? It is sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed because I've got 2 cleansers going right now, so I don't want to keep opening them. But yeah, that was one of my picks. The next item I am pulling out is an add-on. It's by Algae. It's a scalp and body scrub. There you go. Let's see, what is the full-size price? I don't know. So it doesn't have a price listed here, but this gently exfoliate away dead skin with its nourishing scalp and body scrub. We're obsessed with its velvety rose scent. Uh-oh. Rose! I hope it doesn't smell too rosy. Has a little seal on top. No, it's not too rosy. But you can see that it's kind of chunky. It's like a sugar scrub. Ooh, that feels good. Yeah, nice. Can't wait to use that. The next thing I am pulling out is by Full Ritual. This is a magnetic balm in second nature. A magnetic balm. What makes it magnetic? So let me read this. Now the full size is $23, 4 ml. This magnetic balm provides hydration that leaves your lips feeling silky and glossy. It's rich in squalene and helps lock in moisture to give you soft, supple, and plump lips. So let's check it out. I'm not a lip gloss girl. So most of my lip glosses I'll put in giveaways, which I'm looking for 500 subscribers. And then once I hit 500, I'll have a great giveaway. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and you might win my giveaway. Wow, this is actually quite large for a lip balm, I think. It does have that strange little doe foot. It gives a little orange cast, I think. I think that looks a little orange, don't you? But it's pretty. It is shiny. I just smoothed it out a little bit. See, it's shiny. I have one more thing. This is the Inky List Self by Serum. Every product. It's Retinol and Rainbow Algae Repair Serum. So the full size is 30 ml. And is that what we have here? No, yeah, this is full size. And it, well, yeah, you get 5 full-size products in this bag. Hello. So this retails for $30. This serum has us at Rainbow. But when they saw the amazing brightening benefits from the Rainbow Algae Complex, the soothing hydration from squalene and smoothness from the retinol, we are even more in love. So this is at night. So this is something that you would go ahead and put on at night. But see, I see how small this is at $30. My 25 covered this. Here we go. It's pretty light in viscosity. Oh, a little goes a long way. Well, I should have nice looking hands then. So look at all this stuff I got for $25. I got a night repair serum, a body scrub, facial cleanser, blush and highlighter palette, and a lip balm, all for $25. This is a great way to get some of these products, try them out, see if you like them. You can refill it, get it again through their shop if you like these things, at discounted prices, I might add. Being a member of Ipsy has its perks. Oh, that's right, and I added on my little crocodile bag. Yeah, so this was a good haul this time, I think. And I am so glad that you guys came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.